We are paper before we are people. There are 206 bones in your body. Serif, text, ink bone, 26 characters, exclamation, vowel, noun, period. Before we are born, we are named. There are 206 bones in your name. You are certified the day you were born. There's your proof on paper. I read somewhere that you could have been anything, but mothers wish so hard for a child, that's how we come out. Even then, coal, told about itself until it only knows to burn or harden. There are 206 bones in your heart, and getting here has been an unbroken chain of marrow. I'm 26 today and have practiced my signature on every imaginable surface. My body has always been only a blankness good for inscription, so what if I enjoy it? If I walk dark alleyways wearing a loose leaf jacket, if I grind my skin against the photocopier's hungry lips, if I picked up the pen because of this, rewriting what's been written on me, the reason I once fished a rib bone from a man's homeless lung, each organ functioning perfectly outside his body, that I wrote my name in his blood, the reason half a decade ago I drank 2 different men I loved at once until all of us were weeping infections. Let us praise this annual return of our birth. The arbitrary rotation of a cold planet around what gives it life, filleting calendars until their boxes take on meaning. Let us praise the human being for being this good at reading its own script. My beautiful mother called today from a grieving country to wish me a happy birthday. Her voice was so exhausted I could barely hear it. She spoke my name as though she were trying to bear it. This is how it is written, a question mark straightening in the belly. Each year, 206 letters, one tumbling out after the other.